Vile Governor Rati amesema, mnajua kuna serikali mbili. Kuna national government na kuna county government. Na zote ziko katika katiba. Na katiba imedescribe zote mbili kama serikali. Government. National government and county government. So Kisii government, serikali ya county ya Kisii, ni serikali ya ODM. Until such a time when another government will be elected. And that is in the election of 2027. And we will make sure as ODM we retain the government of Kisii under ODM. We will make sure, as we have done it. As you are aware, since devolution came into place in 2013, the county government of Kisii has been ODM. So we are coming here on Friday to celebrate with our government of ODM that's existing in Kisii County. Serikali yetu ya ODM ambaye iko katika county ya Kisii ndio tunakuja kusherekea miaka 20 ya uongozi bora wa chama cha ODM ikiongozwa na Baba Raila Amolo Odinga. Na kwa mwisho nachukua nafasi hii kuwakaribisha wote. Na it is a national celebration and also is a regional celebration. Delegations will come from all the 6 counties of Nyanza: Siaya, Kisumu, Nyamira, Kisii, Homa Bay and Migori County. This is where the celebration is going to take place for the region of Nyanza. And then national officials also will join us to do the celebration in Kisii. So finally, I want to thank His Excellency the Governor and my Deputy Party Leader for graciously accepting to host us and to allow us, under his government of ODM, the celebrations of the 20th anniversary of our beloved party, the ODM party.